Hi, morning. It is Monday, and of course I'm gonna go to class because it's no longer Thanksgiving. So yeah, I will see you after class as always. No, I'm taking the car because I'm tired. I am back after class. And I'm feeling weird. So right now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to Target and buy some cold medication, and then go to. And then I'm gonna go to, and also buy some food things. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm back and I bought the things. So yeah, I'll see you back. I'm back home. And I'm eating dinner. And I'm eating just what I made a while ago, I think, is just rice, cream, curry, some onion and sausage. Because I'm creative. No, it's because I'm sick and I don't feel like making anything. So yeah, I'll see you soon. It is Tuesday. And I need to head to school because I am very, very late. Because I overslept. Because of my sickness. Oh, I hate being sick. So hi, I'm back. And yeah, despite me coming late again, it's well. I have a lot of homework to do though when I get home, so I will see you soon. So hi, I'm back after class, and today went well. We got things done, but right now I have things to do at home and I need to go do set things. One of them is math homework, and also homework from this class. So yeah, I'll see you back at home. So hi, I'm back, and I just went to Target quickly because I needed to buy toilet paper and some other things. So yeah. I'll see you back. So hi, I'm back home, and I haven't been filming in a while because I've been just sleeping because I'm so tired when I'm sick. I'm now eating dinner. I'm eating just same thing as normal. I'm eating just some rice, avocado. This is a thing, sauce made from chili sauce and sour cream, and I'm putting 2 eggs on it. It's because, well, I'm sick. I don't feel like being creative, so I'll see you. Morning. It is Wednesday. And I'm still sick. So, which means I can't exercise, which is annoying because I really want to. But anyhow, I'm gonna go to my class right now. So yeah, I'll see you after class, like always. Hi, I'm back after class. And today went well, we got stuff done. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go get to Target actually, but I'm not gonna go to Target up in Westminster Mall, which is the one I usually go to. I'm just gonna go to the one down on the one on Beach Boulevard. So yeah, I'll see you over there. So stopped at this mobile at a gas station because I have my TPM. Yes, you won't see it, but my TPMS light is, or for some reason, my tire pressure is apparently low. So I'm gonna see if I can fill that up in school tomorrow. I am back, and yeah, I just need to buy some pasta and some other things. So yeah, I'll see you back. It is Wednesday, and today, yesterday, I don't really know. I do really know what happened. I came home and then pretty much collapsed because I'm so tired. I was really tired because A, school, and B, sick. So I came home, I ate dinner. I don't remember what I ate actually. I think I just ate some rice and some in a bowl of water. Don't ask. And then I just played video games and was on my computer. Oh yeah, I did a math thing too. But anyway, now I'm gonna go to my math class as always. Speaking of math. Oh, hi, I'm back after class, and yeah, I checked my today went well. I did all the things, and I checked my tire light. It was just tire pressure. So yeah, now I will see you back. Actually, I need to stop by Target because I need to buy a shampoo. So I'll see you in a quick second. Back after class, or I'm back after Target, and I bought just clarifying shampoo because my hair has been really waxy as of late, and apparently you need that shampoo to fix it. So yeah. Now I'll see you back at home for math. I've been gone for a while, but I haven't been doing much of anything. I've just been at home doing math. So yeah, I finished all that. And I ate dinner too. I ate just rice again with water. Don't question it. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow for surfing. And yes, I am gonna surf despite me being sick, because screw my sickness. I need to surf. You'll get used to it. Yep.
Oh, that wind!
You just made it over. Got an outboard motor. Damn it! That was so close. Take it. I don't believe you can make it. On the board. Ah, you could have made. You could have gotten it. On the rebound. I'm gonna get sick. I'm gonna. Nope. Come on, come on, come on. I got it sitting up. Incoming. Damn it. can now. Hey, I can hold. Nope, 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 nope. That looks big for me. That's what she said. You know what? I could try. Woo! Damn it. I could try. Try, Josh. Try. Paddle. Paddle for it. Yeah! You guys fell at the same time. That looks so funny.
Watch out!
How did I manage to stay on board? You guys stood up like this and then fell like that. It looked really funny. Got what? Move. Kind of, yeah. The same thing, but again, but whatever. It's fun. Not gonna get that one. Too late on that one. Oh, this big thing can record for an hour. Yes. Yee, boy! Not quite stable on that one. Hi, morning. It is Friday, of course. As always, after the surf. And today it went really well. I got up finally. Fully got up too. Which is really awesome. Not sure if I filmed this. I haven't watched it yet, but we'll see. I'm pretty sure I did. But anyway, so now I'm gonna go back home and do the usual, which is showering and changing. So I'll see you back at home. So hi, a little bit out of nowhere. I'm back and it's about 3 hours since I got here because I fell asleep accidentally. I did a thing where I was going to take an hour nap, but I fell asleep and slept for 2 hours instead. So yeah, that was fun. So I will see you soon when I have eaten food and when I'm also done. I'll see you soon. So hi, I'm back and I'm just gonna eat one of these things for dinner or lunch because morning. It is Saturday. So yesterday I had a bit of a moment and I needed to. I had a moment that I could chill, so I didn't do anything. I just went out. I just went out, drove around a bit and did some stuff at home and then I fell asleep. So yeah, now I'm back at home. And today's Saturday, I'm not going to do that much either because right now I need to do some school. I need to do 2 school things. And then I'm going to do something, we'll see. So yeah, I'll see you when I've done said school things. I am back from doing math of the school stuff, which I'm all done with. And my math book is starting to fall apart for some reason. So yeah, these are just falling off. So I'm gonna go fix it because the way I'm gonna fix it is I'm just gonna go get. I have cable ties in my car, so I'm just gonna cable tie all these spots together so that they will work. So I'll see you back in a minute. So yeah, fix that. Now I'm not gonna do much the rest of the day, so I'm just gonna be playing video games for about, I don't know, an hour or 2, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow for hi morning. It is Sunday, and today I'm gonna do some stuff. Actually, do some stuff. I'm not just gonna be lying at home. So today, first of all, I'm gonna be washing my car because it's gone spotty because I drove it when it was raining. So yeah, I will get in a shower and get some clothes on. What the hell did I stutter? And then yeah, I'll see you over at the car wash. Okay, so I'm cleaned up. So let's go to the, I'll see you at the car place. You can look at this thing. Yeah, I need to clean it. But it's spotty again. Okay, so after about an hour or so, it's done. Cleaned up. It's not spotty anymore. But unfortunately, I've noticed some spots. I have 2 spots here where the paint is chipped and is spitting into rust, and I have one very, very tiny one right there. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. I'm gonna see if I can get those fixed while I'm getting the dent. And the crack repaired in my... we'll see what to say. But yeah, now I will see you back at home, I think. Could I have caused that, now that I think about it? Because I usually grab like this on my door. And as you can probably see, my fingers are here. Maybe. Actually, maybe, but yeah, I'll see what I can do. I'll see you back at home. I'm back at home. Now I bought and I got these delivered. These 2. They are shirts for my teacher, for my auto teachers, which is something I usually do. I usually buy them things for the end of the semester, and they look like this. I'm not gonna unfold them because I'm horrible at folding clothes. But yeah. Now I'm gonna do a final math thing. And then I'm gonna do... That's a very good question, I'll figure it out. I decided not to do the math thing because procrastination wins. But no, I'll do it tomorrow because I need to do the quiz tomorrow anyway, so I have that fresh in my head. But right now I am going to make dinner, and I'm gonna make these meatballs and then just eat them with some pasta because I feel like it and I'm also lazy. So I'll see you soon. So there you go, just meatballs and pasta. Because I don't feel like making anything, so I'll see you to summarize the weekend. Well, it's been fun. This episode, or this week episode, whatever I'm calling these, I don't know yet. I haven't figured that out. Was a bit shorter than normal. Well, they're usually on 30, 40 minutes, but this one is 20. Because, well, I didn't film as much as this week, because I didn't do as much this week. Fun. Next week I have kind of a lot of things planned. Next week's last week of this second last week of the semester, by the way, which is, damn, time flies. But, yeah, so anyhow. If you want to follow these vlogs, they're uploaded Mondays regularly. Should be uploaded Mondays regularly. My uploading schedule this semester has been shit, but yeah. Anyhow, this should be on time, however. Fingers crossed, but anyway. So like, and so subscribe and hit the notifications so when these videos are actually uploaded. Leave a comment and a like to show YouTube that to have fun with the algorithm and show the fact that you like these videos. And also follow my Instagram linked in the description for some shenanigans that I might not get on camera, or that I won't get on camera, or any of the other things for a matter of fact. As a matter, also when I take pictures and I usually show them and play the little sound effect, I usually post those on my Instagram. Usually. I've been very badly at not doing that, but as of late, but anyway. So yeah. I also posted on my cart. I also posted either on my main or my cart, which I'm gonna start doing in the description as well. But anyhow, a lot of explanation. But anyhow, I'll see you next week.